Plus display with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and the screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, with microSD expansion support via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the HTC Desire 22 Pro supports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 64MP main camera with f1.7 aperture, plus 13MP ultra wide-angle lens with 180° field of view, and a 5MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 32MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a large 4520 mAh battery with 18W fast charging support, and it also supports wireless and reverse wireless charging as well. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it comes with new Vivers tool that helps to manage personal digital asset and NFT collections, and it is also IP67 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 166.3 by 76.9 by 9.4mm, and it weighs around 205.5 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The HTC Desire 22 Pro has been priced in Thailand at 11,990 new Taiwanese dollar, and it will go on sale in the country starting from July 1st. And it is also available for pre-orders in the UK at a price of €399. That is said to be available from August 1st in Star Night Black and Wave Gold color options. So what do you guys think of this HTC Desire 22 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSolve YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.